In this presentation, I'm going to share with you 6 secrets for growing your YouTube channel. For several years, video marketing has been on the rise. Consumers today spend billions of hours every day watching videos. If you want to leverage the power of YouTube, the world's second largest search engine, here are 6 secrets to help you do that. Create your videos based on a single topic or keyword. Similar to a blog post, you need to identify the keywords you want to target when you are planning your video. Picking a keyword before you create your video will allow you to better plan the content you want to share. Another reason to choose your keywords beforehand is so you can incorporate them into your video script. Repeating your keywords multiple times will help you rank higher. Optimize your title and description. If you want your videos to rank high on YouTube's search feature, then you need to optimize both your video title and description. While your title needs to be catchy, it also needs to have the keywords that you want to be ranked for in the title. This goes for the video description as well. You need to treat the description of your video like a summary blog post. Leverage YouTube cards. The longer someone stays on your YouTube channel, the better ranked they will be. You can see the exact points where viewers tend to abandon your videos with your YouTube video analytics. You can use this information to add recommended videos with YouTube cards at the precise point where viewers are leaving. This allows users to check out your other videos and stay on your channel. Leverage playlist URLs. At the end of your videos, YouTube will show a list of recommended videos for the viewer to watch next. Sometimes they will be your videos, other times they'll be for other channels. You can use well-crafted playlists to keep users on your channel. When a viewer starts to watch one of your videos in your playlist, the platform will auto-cue the next video in your playlist to keep the viewer engaged. The best part is that they can be triggered anywhere in the video with a unique URL. Engage with your audience. If you have high engagement on your YouTube channel, you'll be rewarded with higher rankings. It is incredibly important to engage with your viewers in the comment section of your video. You want to try to respond to every comment that you receive. This not only helps with your video engagement, but it will also help you mold your community as you see fit. Keep your related channels on. One of the biggest mistakes you can make is turning off YouTube's related channels feature. When you turn off this feature, you end up removing yourself from YouTube's recommendations. This means that you will lose the network's effect that makes YouTube the powerhouse that it is. If you are on YouTube, then you probably are looking for good ways to grow your business's YouTube channel. These 6 secrets will help you optimize your YouTube channel and increase your subscribers. In this tutorial, I'm going to provide you with 6 tips to help you grow your YouTube channel. When it comes to finding success on YouTube, it can be challenging to produce algorithm-friendly content that will attract more viewers and keep them watching. Here are 6 tips for optimizing your video content on YouTube to grow your subscribers. Tip number 1. Post multiple times a week. Recent reports have uncovered that channels that post more videos than once a week are performing better than those who don't and are receiving more recommended views. If you can, try posting a video 3 or more times a week to your channel. Keeping a regular schedule can quickly raise your channel in YouTube's algorithm. Tip number 2. Start each video with a hook. The way you will hook your viewers will depend on you and your content. If you have a video that shows a project, make sure you show the result at the beginning of your video. Providing videos with a stunning result increases their interest in how you achieved it. Stories are another way to pique the interest of your viewers. When you start with a story, viewers will want to stick around to see how it ends. Tip number 3. Keep opening credits and titles brief. People have short attention spans, so including a long title or credit sequence at the start of your video will cause viewers to lose interest. Long opening sequences also discourage binge watching because other viewers don't want to see the same long sequence over and over again. Instead, you want to make sure your opener isn't longer than 5 seconds. Tip number 4. Add end screens. End screens are interactive elements in your video that link to your channel, other videos, or webpage. These can be only added in the last 20 seconds of a video, so you need to plan where to place the end screens. End screens tend to work best when the on-screen presenter is still talking and providing information. Tip number 5. Edit out distractions. Meandering talking, long pauses, and bouncing from one subject to another will have your viewers looking for more exciting videos. You want to keep the tangents to a minimum and avoid giving viewers reasons to click away. Tip number 6. Design eye-catching thumbnails. Thumbnails can make or break your YouTube success. Suggested videos are the leading source of organic traffic, which means that your video thumbnail needs to stand out when it appears in the suggested video section of the platform. If you want to grow your YouTube channel, then you need to develop content that keeps your viewers and algorithm in mind. These 6 tips can get you well on your way to creating content that will help you grow your YouTube channel.